so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And yes, one of the most requested BTS reaction is here. This is War of Hormones. This is the dance practice version. So I am going to be reacting to two dance practice videos. One is, the first one I will be doing is the real war version, and the second one is the Halloween version. So I'm really excited. I mean, you know, you have armies, you've already got me hyped up because I really want to now see why this dance practice video was so requested. And let me know if you want me to react to the MV or not. If not, I'll just watch it on my own. So yeah, let's just get into it. The first video is going to be the real war version. Alright, I'm super excited. What is Namjoon doing? Did they just wake up from sleep and just came to the practice room? This must be their old, this thing, what do you say? Their old office. Now I see their practice room where they did the Dynamite dance practice. That is different. That's a much larger room. Oh my god, look at these babies! Look at Namjoon's expressions. Okay, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. Though the audio is of course not that great because it's playing. Look at Namjoon! But Jungkook is definitely woken up from sleep. As I have said before, Taeyang is the most adorable human being. Like, just bubble wrap him and protect him. Oh my god. And I'm really not, I mean, I'm listening to the song, but I'm more concentrating on the boys. So maybe I will eventually end up reacting to the MV also. Look at Taeyang smile! Jimin just doesn't calm down, nah? He just doesn't want to calm down, huh? Are they all like, did they have something before? Did he just hit his bum? How many cups of coffee did they have before doing this dance practice? Taeyang is the most adorable person ever. Oh my god! This should be called the real crack version, not the real war version. Homie! Yes, this is how I dance to BTS songs, just like Hobie. Jin's smile just brightens up my day. Kim Seokjin is awesome. Taeyong is just... Namjoon looks like, somebody has, his sleep is incomplete and he's ready to kill somebody. Look at, Jin and Hobie. Oh my god, these two are just, radiating infinite positive energy to me. Jimin will never calm down. I've understood this now. Oh my god, what the hell did I just watch? This is not real war version, like I said. This is the real crack version of this video. Oh my goodness. And Taeyong was just flirting away with the camera, in a fun way. And Jimin just knows what he's doing. Jimin is a very naughty boy. He's a very, very naughty human being. Oh my god, I loved it. Though I couldn't, the audio of the song was not really, loud. Of course, because it was playing in the dance practice room. But I like the beat. Na, 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 na. I'll probably end up, listening to the, reacting to the MV also. You let me know. Because I'm going to be reacting to another dance practice of the same song. So if you want me to react to the official MV for this, you please let me know. So yeah, let's just move on to the next one, and then at the end together I will give my thoughts. I'm really excited to see the Halloween one also. Okay, let me just close this first. The thumbnail is looking very interesting, guys. The thumbnail is looking very interesting. Ooh. Okay. And oh my god, Namjoon. Namjoon as a vampire. Yeah, I mean, this will have the proper choreography, I'm guessing. Firstly, they don't look scary at all. They just look amazingly cute. And Jin is getting drunk with a bottle of water? Really? As if I'm gonna believe that. They don't look scary at all. At all. Okay. Oh my god, Namjoon. Jungkook is very good in acting. I feel he acts really. All of them are really good actors, but I feel Jungkook's expressions are very, very good. Like, it comes very naturally to him. cute. He doesn't scare me at all. He's the most adorable Joker that I've ever seen in my life. I like this step. Yes, Jin is also a very good actor. Can we just appreciate Hobie for dancing while holding that number plate? I mean, Yoongi is so cute. Look at. Oh my god. I want to see this part again. When he starts coming with the knife. He's adorable. Min Yoongi. Oh my goodness. Compare this with Dechita and. This is like, standing BTS is like standing actually 14 people. Because they just switch personalities, I feel, like from cute to savage. There is this cute version of BTS and then there is the savage version of them. So it's like, looking at 14 people, not really 7 people. Look at this adorable dude. I'm just looking at Yoongi. I believe you that you're drunk. Yes, I believe you, Jin. Oh, I actually honestly want to react to the official MV because I'm liking this song. I don't know what it means, of course. War of hormones. Is it like, them hitting puberty? Is that the song about that they are actually finding the opposite sex attractive or something like that? War of hormones. I mean, they're growing up. Is it like that? Having a crush on somebody. Let me know. Yoongi looks so cute. I'm really appreciating Hobie dancing with that thing. Jungkook was trying to look scary and then he just flashes his adorable bunny smile and everything is gone. You don't scare me, Taeyang. You are very adorable. I can never be serious. I had like a smile plastered on my face. Oh my god, yes! War of hormones, guys! I actually am very tempted to now watch and react to the official MV because this song sounds great, and of course the audio was not that good because it was, you know, playing in the background as a practice song, so it's fine, no problem. But I loved this. I loved both the versions. I loved the real war version, of course, more because it was more crackhead kind and very funny. I think they were just enjoying themselves, and it's really nice to see such videos where, you know, you just know that they're having fun while, you know, doing the dance practices and whatever. And I really like they do like these Halloween versions. Did they do anything last year? Was Gogo? I don't remember. Gogo was, I think, last year's video only. So okay, fine. So I loved it. I definitely would want to see the original video as well. Okay, particularly in this, the second one, I really liked Yoongi. Yoongi was looking so adorable. I couldn't take my eyes off him, and especially when he started doing that knife thing, that was really adorable. He is so adorable. All of these guys are just, I don't know, adorable and cute, and I love watching their old videos because you see how they have grown up. I know how they are now, but when you see the older videos, I mean, it would be such a nice you know, walk down the memory lane for all the armies, because there's so much content of BTS from, I think, their beginning till now. So whenever, you know, you want to feel nostalgic, I think, you know, armies would go back to their older videos and see, you know, how long they have come. Like I said, the practice room, this room looks so small because I think at that time they were just a growing company, and I don't know which year is this, I didn't even check. 2014. So you know, this is like just their second year in the industry, because they launched they debuted in 2013. So, you know, and now if you see all their practice rooms in 2020, where I saw the Dynamite practice version, so elegant and beautiful. You see how long they have come. So I'm sure armies always, you know, watch the older videos, and I'm sure you guys feel very emotional and also proud of the boys. So yes, that was my reaction to the two dance practice videos of War of Hormone. The next BTS video is going to be Airplane Part 2, because I have to do that. That has been a pending request for very long. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this reaction. I hope you have come till the end of the video. If you are a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course I will link all my older K-pop reactions, which is there on my other channel, in the description box for you to watch. Alright guys, that was it for me. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.